Hello, welcome back to the Dr. Lubenga Editing channel. Now I want to tell you how you can get content ideas as a social media influencer. How you can get content ideas whether for your Instagram, for Twitter, for YouTube, or even for Facebook, any kind of social media that you have. How do you get content ideas? What I'm telling you is not textbook knowledge. I'm telling you and talking to you from experience. Now, one way by which you can get content ideas is simply to go to questions that people have been asking. Many people have been asking series of questions here and there. Go to those questions and try to gather the questions. People must have been asking questions here and there. Go to those questions and then in your YouTube, try to provide answers to the question. So that is going to be your content. The provision of answers to the questions that people are asking can serve as a veritable content for you. Let me also let you know that in most cases, you look for what can be referred to as viral content. Viral content that people have been, a content can be viral based on the interaction of people with that content. Many people may have been interacting with the content in the sense that somebody made a comment, another person made a question, somebody made another comment, and they kept on dragging, and on just one video on YouTube or on any kind of social media, series of questions, more than 1,000 questions and answer and comments on it. If you have like 1,000 comments, you can imagine the number of views, because not everybody that view will make comment. So that can be a signal to a kind of content that you should produce and that you should go for, so that those people that have commented on that one can also now come and comment on your own video also. So these are ways by which you can get content, Sometimes on my channel, I have a kind of burnout because of work and other things. I don't have what to talk about. So what I do is go and look at these different questions that have come on that people are asking on my channel, and I make a video response to the question and I post it. And funny enough, because it's a question that resonates with many people go there to seek answers to the question. I did videos on ice block production and other things. People have been asking me, give us a phone number of people that produce ice block. I just decided to do a video on people that produce ice block. I did a video on people that produce ice block and ice block machine and solar, and I put the phone number. That video have been trending because people are looking for reliable people that they can contact. And I just did a video talking about people they can contact if they need ice block machine and if they need solar panel, and people have been responding so well to that. So you can imagine that is for my own content. I can go and look at other people's videos that are similar to my own niche and look at the questions that people have been asking on their channel and make a video to answer the question. Since those people that own the channel are not answering them, I make video to answer. Just go around anywhere you see question, different question. Just provide answer to the question, provide answer to the question, provide answer to the question. People are going to come and they are going to be looking for answers to those questions, and they are going to come to your channel and watch. And that is how you gain watch hour, and then that's how you make profit on YouTube and on your social media pages. And people keep coming and they keep coming. So if you know of other ways, you can drop it in the comment section. But this is a simple way. This is not a textbook way. This is a way from experience.